Are you ready to take fall snacking to a whole new level of snacktastic? Whether you're out running holiday errands, heading out on a road trip, or just refueling from a workout, the best bites are snackable and packable. The new Natural Delights Mini Medjools are just that, portable and perfectly portioned. If you want a snack that's simple, wholesome, and great tasting on the go, you are going to be obsessed with these naturally sweet, bite-sized treats. Each serving, and that's 4 luscious Mini Medjools, is only 150 calories and full of vitamins and minerals like potassium as well as dietary fiber. Translation: this is a snack that supports muscle recovery and can boost natural levels of energy. And we haven't even got to the best part yet, the flavors. Mini Medjools are made with delicious ingredients like dried fruit, coconut, crunchy nuts and seeds, and velvety smooth nut butters. And how about a date for dessert? Literally. Cacao pecan and sweet and salty almond double as a snack and as an after-dinner indulgence. Mini Medjools are simple, delicious, and perfect for any lifestyle. Be sure to pick yours up at Kroger, Sprouts, and at Albertsons. If pumpkin spice is your favorite season, this latte is for you. Made with A2 milk, pumpkin puree, a splash of vanilla, pumpkin spice, and hot coffee, this is the perfect way to warm up this fall. And if you really want to add delicious flavor and elevate any cup of coffee, add a splash of A2 milk's new half and half. It has a natural, creamy taste and is made with 100% real A2 milk and cream. And if you don't know about A2 milk, this is 100% real dairy milk from local U.S. farms, and it comes from cows that naturally produce only the A2 protein. It's easier on digestion, and it may help some avoid discomfort, making it the ultimate base for all of your favorite fall beverages. Be sure to look for A2 milk at Kroger and at Whole Foods.